Hello, welcome to Chance My Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you or share with you how I made this super delicious and nutritious soup, which made from beef balls that we're going to make it from scratch, okay? First of all, I will prepare some vegetable here. The vegetables that I used today are carrots, celery, and onion. I'm cutting the carrot into bite size, and I'm using the crinkle knife cutter because I like the texture, the shape of it, and it gives more presentation to the vegetable or to the soup, right? They also have some pre-cut from the store, so if you don't have time, you can certainly use the one that already pre-cut for you, alright? You can cut it or make it into any bite size, any shape of your choice. If you don't like all the vegetables that I used right here or in this video, you can always change or substitute to the one that you like, alright? I'm using half of the onion here as well. I have 1 pound ground beef here, some black pepper to taste, here are some onion or garlic powder, about half teaspoon of mushroom seasoning, about a teaspoon oil, and a half teaspoon golden mountain seasoning sauce or soy sauce, and a half teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 egg. Then I'm gonna use my hand. Of course, I wash my hand before, and then use my hand to mix it. Mix until everything is very well combined. After that, we'll make it or roll into a ball, right? So that is about right. In a pot, I did add some water and bring that to a boil. I'm adding some black soy sauce here, about a half tablespoon golden mountain seasoning or soy sauce, half tablespoon fish sauce, and about a teaspoon chicken powder, half a teaspoon salt. After the water is fully boiling, I'm adding all the vegetable first because I don't want to cook my meat to make it really hard. So I'm cook the vegetable first to make it a little bit tender. So while cooking the vegetable, I'm gonna roll all my beef into a ball. You can make it big or small. I'm using about a medium size, and that's how I made my beef ball. And after the veggie is a little bit tender, I'm adding the beef ball in there one by one. When I make this soup, it brings so much comfort and warmth into my body, and it's such a healthy and delicious, has so much nutrition in there. So, and my kid also love this soup. You can have it with some rice, or you can just eat the soup or drink the soup as it is. So once you put all the beef in there, just give it a little bit stir, and we'll bring that to a full boil. I love mushrooms, so I'm adding some sliced baby bella mushroom in there. You can use any mushroom, or if you don't like any of that, you can certainly omit that, okay? If you find any value or enjoy my video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos just like this. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Skim all the foam on the top and then adding some chopped or cut green onion. Once it's fully boiling and the beef is cooked, then that is perfectly done, and just taste it. In case the seasoning is still not enough for you, you can adjust the flavor accordingly to your taste. So after that, just turn off the heat and move it aside and ready to be served. Look at how beautiful that is. The soup is clear and it's so delicious. The flavor is just perfect. Not too salty, not too bland. It's just the right amount of the seasoning. So I'm topping with some parsley and cilantro and also a little bit of black pepper to taste. And that is pretty much it. The soup turned out pretty good. And this soup is best to have when you're feeling sick or you very tired and you just want something to keep your body warm and recover from all those tiredness and sickness. Then this is the perfect soup for you and your family. Let's give it a taste. What a delicious soup that I made today. I hope you give it a try and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.